Hello everybody and welcome back to Data's Art tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can categorize your posts for your website. So without wasting any further time, let's just jump right into the video. As you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard, and from here what you're going to be doing is that you need to head over to your website tab from left side of your screen, and in here you'll be able to see multiple tabs as well. You're going to be clicking on post, and here you'll be having multiple posts. As you can see, I have a single post in here, but you can have multiple as well. And from here you're going to be clicking on this pencil icon, which will edit your post, and which is right next to this preview icon. And when you click on that, here you have various options, and in here you'll be able to see that under publish date you have this category option and a drop down as well. In here you can choose any of these categories that I added earlier. You can always add a new category using this green create new category option. You can just simply type in here anything and click on update. Now if you drop down again, here you'll be able to see that articles is added to our drop down. You can choose any of these categories to change them, and make sure you don't forget to click on update. And that's how you can categorize your posts for your website. I really hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.